In this video, I'm going to talk to you about PayPal Jail, which is the first kind of limitation that you're going to encounter when you start selling on eBay, okay? And PayPal Jail is unique to eBay accounts that are new, that are associated with a PayPal account. There are ways to sell and just use PayPal, and you're not necessarily going to encounter PayPal Jail. You'll deal with those if you're trying to do some kind of personal website or something like Shopify. But for the purpose of this course, I'm just going to talk to you about the eBay PayPal experience, okay? So when you first start, you are not going to receive your money instantly. Let's say that you have an item and you sell it for $100. You're going to receive a $100 transaction, but it's going to be on hold for roughly 21 days. Now, once those 21 days pass, that money is lifted and available for use. You can get that money sooner by uploading a tracking number or marking the sale as shipped. If you mark the sale as shipped, you get the item 7 days later. If you upload a tracking number, then you get the item, I think it's 2 or 3 business days after the item is shown to be delivered with tracking. And you really want to always have tracking numbers because they allow you to quickly close and win cases in your favor and prevent things from going south, right? Now, I understand that PayPal Jail is quite frustrating. It's a 90-day period where all of your sales are going to be on hold for 21 days. And you can get out of it sooner, I think, if you show that you can give consistent quality experience to the buyers. But it's really not that big of a deal. I know that it's stressful, but you don't have to do very well in the first 90 days. You could literally have 3 or 4 sales a month for 3 months and get out of PayPal Jail and then really kind of get into it. And I understand that you want to, everyone wants to just get started now and do the stuff now. You got to understand that the best thing that you can do for yourself at the beginning is to learn as much as you possibly can and expose yourself to all these different kind of mentalities so you can figure out who you relate to the most and what kind of methods you want to use. Because ultimately, 90 days seems like a lot of time, but it actually isn't. And once you're out of PayPal Jail, then you will receive your payments instantly unless they are large payments. And that's not always true. We're going to talk about 2 other ways that PayPal will put holds in your account in the next 2 sections, but PayPal Jail is the kind of guaranteed one that you're going to experience. So honestly, the best way to handle this if you're a US-based seller is to just sell stuff normally on eBay for about 90 days. You don't have to get too into it. Just sell a couple things. eBay just wants to see that you can sell things and ship things out, right? So what I did, I never had to deal with PayPal Jail because I started out selling stuff on eBay and I took it kind of seriously as my job. And I put a lot of time into it, but you don't have to do that. You can literally just find some stuff you don't use around the house and post it on eBay. And if you're not attached to the price of it, you can post it as an auction for 99 cents and then add the shipping cost to that. And then it will almost guarantee that you get a sale. You may not earn money, but that's okay because you need to get your account out of this kind of PayPal Jail thing, right? And you need to get a couple sales to do that. So the best way is really to just sell something on eBay. It's going to give you experience with eBay. It's going to give you experience with buyers and selling things and understand that kind of process. And then you get into the dropshipping. But that being said, you don't have to sell stuff. You could just try dropshipping. I really encourage you to not obsess too much about your growth. If you're taking this course and you just recently heard about dropshipping, take your time. I know that it's really exciting and I want you to be able to earn money from home. I really do. But what leads to that is patience and regularly working on this kind of stuff. It doesn't matter if you do this for 20 hours a day. That sounds great, you're going to progress a whole bunch, but what's the point if you stop after a month and you don't get back into it? That will not lead to you changing your life. What will lead to you changing your life and earning money is by you consistently learning. That is what is most important. Don't obsess too much about the money. If you get the experience, the information, and the knowledge, the money will come. It's just a matter of time, right? But if you obsess about the money right now, what are you earning this month? What did you earn your second month? What did you earn your third month? It's going to put you in the wrong mentality. And I know that that's really hard to grasp because it's important that you earn money, but please recognize that knowledge will get you tons more money in the future. Obsessing about money now is most likely to lead to you giving up. And then that will result on way, way, way less money. So think about it in the long run. How are you going to integrate dropshipping into your life? Okay? Sorry, I got a bit off track there, but I think this is really important, especially talking about PayPal and this kind of stuff, because this goes hand in hand with, the PayPal jail thing. Like, if you are patient, you don't even have to deal with PayPal jail. If you're in a rush, it's an inconvenience that you'll have to work around with some kind of credit or patience, right? All right. I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be talking about another way that PayPal can place a limitation on the money that you receive. All right, guys. Catch you later. Bye-bye.